Hello, welcome to my channel. Here is a really simple decor idea using the things you must be already having at home. So let's start it. You will need a waste cardboard piece. Make a simple abstract face design over it. Now cut this on its outline, and to give 3D look, stick extra pieces for facial features. You will need some glue diluted in water and paper towel or tissue paper. Cover the face with tissue paper. You can also use newspaper pieces or any other paper. Also, you can use homemade glue. You will find the glue recipe link in description box. Leave it for drying at least for 1 to 2 hours. It is dry now. Gather some bright color and paint the faces as you wish. Now I am using my homemade 3D outliner or puffy paint. You can use the ready-made one. You can also use black paints if you don't have it. I just wanted to give it 3D look. And this is ready. I have made 2 more designs which I am going to cover with plaster of Paris and poster color. I am shared this just to show you another example of this decor idea. This I have paste of POP, glue and water. I covered the cardboard with it. It will work as primer as well as it will make the cardboard strong. This I have homemade texture paste. You can use the ready-made one. Leave it for drying at least for 5 to 10 hours. You can use sandpaper to give a finishing look. I have painted this one with acrylic paint. They are so light that only double-sided tape will be enough to hang them to wall. And there is the 3 beautiful abstract face wall decor. I have also made a larger one with tissue paper and acrylic paint. You can hang it in wall, hang it in furniture. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and tell me what you think about this idea. Thanks for watching.